Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a safety vest. I hope. 10 pockets. Okay, let's open this up and check it out. This is what it looks like here. And this is how it is here. I got a size large, so I could wear it over sweaters and things like that. So let's see what this looks like here. Put it on. You guys can see it on me. I should back y'all up so you can actually see me in it. So this is what it looks like here. I'll make it even better here. So it's very durable. It's nice and solid material. It's like it's a breathable fabric. It's breathable, but it's got a little bit of weight to it, I guess. So it's nice. And this is how it will go, like that. I've got lots of pockets in here. There's one here with a little bungee on it, so I could stick some stuff in that side there. Could bungee things on it here. It's got a little Velcro thing, so you could open it up and seal it up in that. So on this side, it's got the same one there. Got a big pocket here. Could put my phone or something in it. That's good. The pockets have some little holes in the bottom, so if it's a rainy day or whatever, it won't fill up with water. We've got pockets up here, and it's made of, look at this, reflective material. It's shiny and good. I can use this stuff outside. Makes it good. It's kind of like almost a police-ish colors. And you can see I'm about 185 pounds or so, and I've got room here. I could be wearing it with a sweater or with a jacket underneath it and still have it kind of fit as well. It fits really good. It's got reflective up here. Got some loops up here too, so if I had a microphone or whatever, I could clip it on up there. Super comfortable, and it's lightweight, but it's got a little bit of heft to it because it's got some of these things on there. I mean, it feels super durable. I think this thing is gonna last forever, and it is comfortable too, so it's kind of nice. I like it. Let's see, what do we got here? So that's that pocket. No pockets in the back, I don't think, which would be weird. I guess why not? Let's see, anything inside? Inside here, look at this. I got a Velcro spot and a huge pocket there. I could fit my whole iPad in there probably, and then a zipper one in front. Could put pens and things like that in there. You could really hold a lot. Same thing on this side. It's like each side is a mirror of the other side, so each side has the same things. It's kind of nice, then you kind of know what you can fit. Boy, that's great. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. That one Velcroed it on weird. But how good is that? The zipper works great. Everything works on this vest. It's a nice vest. I like it. Thumbs up. Just want to show you guys what it looks like here in the sun. It shows up really good too, so it's nice. I'll be seen from far away, from close up. I like it. Great vest. Totally awesome.